Hello, welcome to this video. I'm going to try this Lip Smacker Coca-Cola Cherry. I have the lip gloss, but I couldn't find it. So this is what it looks like. I got some foundation and concealer and powder and bronzer on it. But this is the Lip Smacker Coca-Cola Cherry Flavor Lip Balm. It just looks like this. When I apply lip balm, I like to put a lot on. I like to make it like a lip mask. So that's what it looks like. Sorry, my computer. That's what it looks like. That's what the tube looks like. Gives nice color and gloss. Alright, so let's get this video started. I have a whole bunch of new things I wanted to share. I guess I was going to make these videos in different parts. So yeah, I'll start with my cartoon lip balms. These are my cartoon animal lip balms that I've purchased within like the last 6 months. Sorry I haven't made a video in a while. I've been wanting to. I've just haven't been able to. I've been so tired lately. So I have a container here, and I'll just go through them. So these are like cartoon animal lip balms, and I adjusted my computer, and it's not adjusting back for me right now. So I'll just have to go through it like this. Okay. So these are Fingerling cartoon animal lip balms. This is the Jumbo 5-pack, and these are basically like monkeys, unicorns, and this one I can't think off the top of my head, but there is cherry cotton candy, and this unicorn, her name is Gigi, and there's grape, strawberry, and berry. So I've used Gigi. I'll show you what it looks like. And her flavor is cotton candy. It smells really nice, like vanilla cake batter. Now I can smell the cotton candy. Okay, that's that. Here we have, here we have the cherry, and I can't think of this name off the top of my head. And, oh my god, I dinged it. Okay, well it just comes with a twisty top like that, and it's a clear balm. Yeah. I'll twist it up for you so you can see how much there is. Going, going, going. Going, going, going. Going, 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 going. So that's about how much balm, lip salve, lip conditioner will be in a tube. And it's a cherry flavor. It's a nice flavor. Has a white waxy base. Is it going down, or do I need to push it down? Let's see what happens if I... Okay, now it went down. Yeah, and I made the top red. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. There. It went down. So that's what it looks like. Got a little red on there. It's usually not red. But yeah, you just snap the top back on like this. Okay, and then there's Gigi, which is vanilla, the unicorn, and this is strawberry. And here's a pack of them, 7 fun flavors. These are like all monkeys. They're monkey cartoons. And there's cherry, orange, grape, mango, banana, strawberry, and berry. Okay. So yeah, I'll do a second part of this video, and the next one is going to be unicorns, witches, fairies, and mermaid lip conditioning products. And rainbows. So there's going to be rainbows, unicorns, mermaids, fairies, and witches. Okay. See you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.